Hello, Lockley speaking here. I am a drummer and guitarist mainly, and I've been playing drums for about 6 years now. I play for Penny Coffin ever since mid-2023, and the sticks I'm using for that are the Collision 5BRs. These sticks are honestly perfect for me. The durability is excellent, as everyone knows. They last really long, especially the tips. A lot of wooden tips, get beat up pretty quickly, but these hold up, as well as they don't feel dead after a long time, like most sticks do, which was really impressive to me. Very unique selling point. That aside, the weight, like the rebound is great. The finish on the stick is nice, makes it less hard to drop them. But all this really aids my playing. In Penny Coffin, it's a death metal band, so it's a lot of high tempo, long endurance blasts that I play, and these have no trouble keeping up with that. As well, the Collision team are awesome. They're really about supporting their artists and getting them to the next stage of their journey, and the contact I have as an endorsed artist is very good compared to some companies. Not a lot of companies will be able to talk to the CEO of the company and just have a casual chat with him. So yeah, that was really cool to me, how connected they are to their artist. But onto the video, I'm going to be playing Ballistic by Penny Coffin, a little bit faster, the live tempo. So you'll get to see how these things hold up for those long blasts. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.